Do you love reading articles online but hate all the clutter and ads? Here's how to make web pages clean and easy to read. Samsung Internet has a feature called Reader Mode that removes distraction and shows only the main text. It's perfect for reading blogs or long articles. To do so, open Samsung Internet app. Tap the three horizontal line icon at the bottom right. Then tap Setting. Scroll down the screen. Tap Useful Features. Now, turn on Show Reader Mode button. To see how this feature works, tap the back key twice to return to the home page. Open any web page with long text content. As you can see, a Reader Mode button appears on the address bar. Tap it, and the page will transform into a simple, easy to read format. And that's it. Now you can enjoy cleaner, distraction-free reading right from your Galaxy S25 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.